Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about how to construct an Hasse diagram or Poset diagram. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed what is meant by Poset. Please watch the class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, first we will understand the instructions how to construct, but you will get a better understanding with an example. So you take an Poset means a relation that satisfies partial ordered conditions. We call it as a poset. So on the posets, we are going to construct these diagrams. We call them as Hasse diagram or poset diagrams. So you take a poset means a relation that satisfies poset properties. You take that relation, on that relation we are going to construct these diagrams. So from that relation, you take all the vertex for every element. You take a relation, all the elements that present in that relation. For each element, we have to create a vertex. That is the first step. Our second step is construct an edge between the two elements. Means you take an ordered pair. In between this ordered pair, can you construct an edge between those ordered pairs? Yes, you can construct an edge. When you can construct an edge? If we did not find an element x, you take an ordered pair a comma b. In this ordered pair, you should not find an element x such that a relates x and x relates b. If you find such an element, then do not construct an edge. If you don't find, then you have to construct an edge. If you did not find, if you find an element, do not construct an edge. This is the condition we need to satisfy to construct the Hasse diagram. With example, you are going to get a better understanding. The same example which we discussed in our last class. The set S is a phi, set A, set B, set A comma B. This is our set which we considered. This is a poset. We call this, on this set we are creating a relation R is equal to set S comma, our relational operator is subset. This relation we call it as a poset, partially ordered set. Why we call it as a partially ordered set? We already discussed in our previous class. So in our relation we are having four elements: phi, set A, set B, set A comma B. So each element, for each element you have to create a vertex. That is our first step. After creating a vertex, you have to create edges between these two vertices, where you have to place edge and where you should not place edge. That we need to understand. So on this relation R, what are the ordered pairs that present on this relation? Phi comma phi, A comma A, B comma B, AB comma AB. So these are all similar elements. Phi comma phi, A comma A. There is no need to consider these elements, these ordered pairs. Remaining ordered pairs you have to consider and create the edges. Phi comma A, can we create an edge between these two? Phi comma B, can we create an edge between these two ordered pairs? This ordered pair. Phi comma A comma B. Can we create an edge? No, we cannot create an edge between this ordered pair. Why we cannot create an edge between this ordered pair? Let's try to understand. Phi comma A comma B. This is our ordered pair. So what we have discussed in the above conditions, if you found an element x, yes, we found an element x. Our element is A. So which is satisfying a relation? Phi comma A is our ordered pair. Phi comma A is an ordered pair, means phi relates A relates AB. So we are finding an element A which is satisfying the above condition. If it satisfies this condition, then we should not place an edge between these two, phi and A comma B. Don't place an edge between these two. That's why phi A comma B, we don't have an edge. If you don't find an element, then you have to place an edge. So that's why phi comma a, can you find an element in between these two which is forming a relation with phi comma x and x comma a? No, we are not going to find. That's why from phi create an edge. Line is edge. Similarly, phi comma b, you don't find an element x that satisfies this property. So phi comma b, create an edge. Phi comma ab, yes, there is an element. Phi comma a comma ab. So don't create an edge. Similarly, next ordered pair, a comma set ab. Did you find an element which in between, if it is forming a relation like this? No. That's why create an edge between set a comma b. Similarly, set b comma set a comma b. There is no elements, so create an edge. This is what our Hasse diagram for this relation. This is how we construct Hasse diagrams for the posets. Hope you understand these conditions. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.